I'm Paolo Verzone, an Italian photographer. I work in portraits and documentary photography. I am in Abidjan to work with the students on a lighting workshop, and we will work a lot on lighting techniques, mixing the daylight to strobe photography, continuous light photography, and also some unconventional techniques on how manage light, the available light, and how to get the most out of it. The workshop with the student was fantastic, just fantastic. I'm still in emotion for the energy they just have, all the work they did, how fast they were learning. Some of them, they are already at a top skill, at a top level. And the workshop was an exchange of energy and knowledge and learning from both sides. I was learning from them, from their creativity, from their capacity of inventing, and I was enjoying so much sharing with them. I will come back, for sure. I'm in love with this place. I'm in love with Abidjan. I'm in love with Côte d'Ivoire. So yes, I will come back for sure.